In today's fast-paced data-driven world, finding a powerful yet user-friendly analytics tool is essential. Constance Information Miner, commonly known as KNIME, is revolutionizing how professionals approach data analysis. KNIME is an open-source platform that enables users to create end-to-end data workflows without writing a single line of code. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface empowers users from beginners to advanced analysts to clean, transform, and visualize data with ease. KNIME stands out for its flexibility, seamless integration with diverse data sources, and scalability, making it suitable for everything from small projects to enterprise-level tasks. Users can automate repetitive processes, schedule data tasks, and even build machine learning models using built-in algorithms or integrate with libraries like TensorFlow and Keras. With a rich collection of essential nodes like missing value, string manipulation, joiner, and group by, KNIME simplifies complex operations such as data cleaning, transformation, and visual storytelling. Its interactive charts and dashboards make it easier than ever to communicate insights effectively. Whether you are analyzing structured data, processing text or images, or collaborating with a team, KNIME provides all the tools you need without requiring programming expertise. Start your journey with KNIME today and unlock the full potential of your data.